ever wondered just how much stuff you've accumulated over the years? Welcome to Everspruce Home Inventory App Channel, where we're all about mastering the art of home organization. Today we're diving into the world of home inventory management and why it's an absolute game changer for every homeowner out there. Let's face it, keeping track of everything we own can be a real challenge, from struggling to find that one elusive item buried in the clutter to constant worry about losing or damaging our belongings. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. In the past, many of us relied on outdated methods like spreadsheets or handwritten lists to manage our inventory. But let's be real, in today's digital age, those methods just don't cut it anymore. Fear not, because the future of home inventory management is here. Say hello to smart inventory apps like Everspruce that can revolutionize the way you keep track of your belongings. Imagine effortlessly cataloging every item in your home with just a few taps on your smartphone. Let me show you how Everspruce makes home inventory management a breeze. With its intuitive interface, you can easily add items by simply taking a quick photo. See, within seconds, the item is added to your home inventory in the app. And you can add important details like purchase date, warranty information, and know its current location in your home. And when you need to find something, just use the powerful search function to locate it in no time. Whether it's an heirloom or elusive gadget, Everspruce has got you covered. Plus, you can organize your inventory into custom categories for even greater clarity and efficiency. Whether it's by room, function, or category, Everspruce adapts to your unique needs using the tag feature. So there you have it. With Everspruce, managing your home inventory has never been easier or more convenient. It's the ultimate solution for busy homeowners like you. Ready to take control of your home inventory? Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to share your own home inventory management tips in the comments below. Happy organizing!